Hello and welcome everyone to another session of C++ tutorial videos from Code+. Today we will discuss about the keywords of C++ programming. So what are keywords? Basically keywords are reserved words and they are reserved for specific purpose. They are inbuilt for coding. The meaning and the purpose of them are already defined within the C++ compiler. Keywords must be written in lowercase characters. You cannot use keywords as user-defined identifiers. Suppose you wanna define a variable as an integer type. For this, you will write int and then the variable name. But if you use a keyword as a variable name like int switch, it will occur error. As C++ is a case-sensitive language, so that you can use the keyword's name but using uppercase letters. So how many keywords are there? As you can see in the list, C++ has total 62 keywords. 32 of them are also available in C programming and the remaining 30 keywords are from C++. C program does not have them. Now let's talk about the purpose of keywords. For example, const keywords used to create constants. Static keywords used to define static variables. Char, int, float are keywords of data types, which used to define character, integer, float type of variables and constants. This total set of keywords are used when a variable or a constant is defined. If, else, switch case are conditional keywords. They are used when we wanna check whether a condition is true or false. Based on the result, we go further with the statements inside them. For, while, do are the keywords of loops. They are used to create a loop based on a condition, so that we don't have to write a needy code for multiple times. Break, continue, go to, return are the keywords that controls the flow of a code. Break and continue can terminate or restart a piece of code respectively. This set of keywords are used while creating the user-defined data types. Public protected private keywords are used to modify the access levels of variables and constants. Try, catch, throw keywords are used to handle runtime exceptions. And all the cast like static, dynamic, const and reinterpret are used to convert one type of data element to another type. So this is all for today's session. For more benefits and to get updated, subscribe to our channel. Like this video, share with your friends and comment down your queries. Keep learning and keep coding. See you in the next video.